Take a ride in the 2017 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, front wheel drive, tires front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.